there guys, it's me again, Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I thought I would switch the camera on and just share a little bit of the project I'm working on at the moment, which is a custom order for like a memory type book for a lady who wants to give it to a friend who has been teaching English over here in England, and he's going back to France, and so she wanted me to just fill a lovely journal with lots of writing space, but with lots of English mementos. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been working on it for a while. I've got a signature on cities, a signature on Jane Austen. I plan to do one on English birds and one on English flowers, because I think that's going to be brilliant. And I'm going to pop some extra bits in. So I picked up from my stash this book here on English period furniture, which has got some beautiful illustrations in. I thought that could be nice to intersperse. And also music paper, Edith Holden. I've also got, I just found this in my stash, which I was really pleased about, and it's called The English Counties Illustrated. It's quite vintage, but let me see how old it is. Oh right, well I'm not sure. I'll have to, but it's got all these beautiful illustrations in, which let me try and let's move back a bit. Yes, this is Cornwall, for instance. London, Cambridgeshire, it's Suffolk. It's got some lovely pictures in, so that will be interspersed. So anyway, that's the idea behind these. So I've done one, she's going to choose, and I'm going to do two companions for Etsy. Today what I'm going to do is just pop the covers together, and I'll show probably one in this video and these two. So I've kind of popped them together, laid them out, but I'm going to sew these, but this one I'm just going to glue in. So I'll do this one for this video, and just to share basically my process on how I put them together. So these we'll do later. This one I will do now because I'm just going to glue it. And before I should have started. Before I go on, there's a lady that I like to follow on YouTube called Gail Agnostinelli, and she does some fantastic work. And recently, because she'd seen somebody else do it on a channel, she started to just make mention by name the new subbies, new people that follow and comment too. I think that's a really nice idea, so I thought I'd probably do it too. And because I can't find my way around at the moment on YouTube how to send a message to new subscribers. It kind of pops up in my inbox that somebody subscribed, and I would like to just send a little message to say welcome aboard, but I haven't been able to figure out how to do it yet. So I'm going to say welcome aboard now to Laurie Ivy Shutters, Lisa Gonzalez, lady called Marissa, lady called Yolanda Carlos, and Sonia Gortsack, I think. Welcome aboard. Over the last week or so you've joined our crazy journey. And also for positive and fun comments from Regina from Daisy Red Designs, Jennifer Kerr, thank you for your fantastic encouraging feedback. Bueno Cortez, I think. I'm so sorry if I haven't if I have not pronounced your name right. And from Canfield Handcrafted Soaps, and from Claire Jones, thanks for your upbuilding messages. Anyway, let's go. Now, just wanted to say this is a Tim Holtz, as you know. Tim Holtz, what is it? Bookplate is it called? I really like them. They come in a couple of different sort of vintagey colours, but this I spray painted myself, and I've started to do that, and I haven't used anything special. In fact, I've just popped it by just to show you. It's just what we had in the house, Super Deck spray paint. So just to say, don't feel limited by the colours. Spray paint what you fancy, which was quite useful. This is an old Reader's Digest, as you can see, Lorna Doone, but I love. Don't know if you can see. I just love the cover. I didn't want to cover it up too much, so what I decided to do with that is basically use this bit of fabric. It's from a vintage fabric pile that I picked up in a charity shop, and I've been using lots of. And I just wanted to cover this and that with lace at the top, and then I'm going to put the book plate. I've called this one Out and About, so I'm going to call the others This and That and Here and There, because it's going to be a collection of bits and pieces from all over England. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just to say, when trying to do my label, I basically experiment on Word, and I've chosen in the end, this one is a commercial script and it's size 16, the font size on that. That's what I decided to go for, and I printed it just on gold paper, and I printed some others on silver paper because I like the look of that, the silver with the silver, yeah, on this particular project. So what I'm going to do with this one is use my trusty Fabri-Tac, try and keep in frame and keep everything. I've treated already, and I've just glued that on the back. Okay, and so let's go. Let's just do a little bit of, I might just do it on the fabric, do you think? Let's oh, is that in frame still? Let's see. Let's start here. And I wanted the I did want the gold outline to be part of the frame for the fabric and book plate. I was going to do it on the fabric, but no, I won't. What on my bone folder? There you go, I've got a bone folder somewhere. I'll pop somewhere safe. I'll just pop it down with that, shall we? Let's just... I've gone a bit crazy on the glue, haven't I? Alright, let's move that across a little bit. Then we're just going to line these up. And we'll do the same here, I think. Because I love the little floral. I thought I wanted to keep that. Definitely wanted to keep the floral visible as part of the cover design. And so I'll just pop that like so. I'll line it across the bottom. Like so, and then I'm going to do the top in line as well. And I will probably, on this one, I think I might, once the signatures are sewn in, I might just pop some lace on the back, on the spine as well, just to tie it all in. Now I need to say, with the book plate type thing, because I've sprayed, oh lordy, what have I done here? There you go, let's pop that just like that. Is it in line? Because I sprayed the actual plate itself, I wanted to colour the little brads that it's placed. They come with little brads. Those who journal already know this, but for those who don't, the brads are just the little, like, they've got like a little screw head type thing, and it's like a pin that splays out like that. Once you've popped it in, and you sort of like flatten it and it sort of holds the plate in place. Well, these sets come complete with their little brads, and because I was doing different colours, I actually ordered some what's the word, some extras as well, a pack, and I've put them somewhere safe, which does my head in, to be fair, because I keep doing it. I put them somewhere safe, and I was going to try and record this yesterday, and because I couldn't find any of the brads, I kind of deferred it to today. There you go. I still can't find them, to be honest. So what I thought I'd do, I just need to go around the camera and check that that is as straight as I want it to be. Yeah, well, you know, it is what it is. So I can't find them, to be honest. I'm going to show you how I secure them with a brad. But so that's that for now. I might have to order some more because I really need to get on with this. So that's the first one, but I will, if I can find my thingy, just pop that under here like that and show you. I'll make the holes anyway that I'm going to use to secure. So I just use my awl and the inside of a book that I don't have any use for anymore, just to make the holes, and then maybe when I here we go, I have to go around this way. Here we go. Sorry. It's the funny angle that I've tried to work with. Can't afford a recording studio as yet. Maybe by the end of the year, eh? As Del Boy says in Only Fools and Horses. This time next year, we'll be millionaires. Who knows? Who knows? So, make the holes. I've made the holes there, guys, so ready now to pop the brads in when I find them. Okay, so that's the first one, and we'll see how that sits. We'll see how that sits, and I might just do a little bit of an edging here. I think we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I might put an edging on. Anyway, so that's it for now. That's that first one. So that's out. No, out and about. We've started, and I'll be back with here and there and this and that. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye.